Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to answer this one. We know that the sum of the odd and the even numbers, you will have the odd number. So in this one, we need to circle the number between odd and even, so you can get about the sum is odd. So that should be this one in here, here. And the next one, 1 2 3 2 5 2. The next one, 2 3 4 3 6 3, and so on in here. So if we count on the circle in here, that is about 18. And the total of the table in here, that is about 6 multiplied by number 6. So if we calculate, you got 1 over 2. About the sum is number 5. So we need to find the sum of number 5. So we can see that 4 plus 1, we have number 5. 3 number 2, 2 3, and 1 4. So there are 4. So we have 4 over 36. So if we simplify this one, you got 1 over 9. And the sum is about number 7. That is about this one in here. So we count all of them, we have number 6. So number 6 divided by 36, we have 1 over 6. The next one, the sum is about number 7, and one of the dice is about number 1. So we can see that we have the sum that is about number 7 in here, but only this one and this one, you got number 1, because this is about n. That means we have two conditions. So that means only 2. 2 divided by 36. If we simplify this one, you got 1 over 8. 1 over 18. And this is the answer. And the next one, that is about or. That means the sum of number 7 or one of the dice is number 1. So we have the die of number 1 go in here, and this one go in here. Because the question that is mentioned only or. So we sum all of them, and the blue one. So we have 15. So we have 15 over 36. So this what we simplify. We have 5 over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.